Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and change control center in iOS 17. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, we're simply gonna go ahead and step into our video. So regardless of the model of yours, for all the iOS you can follow the same settings pattern and the same tutorial for it as well. So I'm going to show you over here and you can do it the same. For that matter, simply gonna go ahead, so I'll show you our panel first. So this is our control panel, right? If you want to change it, customize it anyway, we're gonna go to settings, we're gonna go back first, and we're here in this section we will have this option called control center below. Tap on control center and you can see access within apps. Allow access to control center with apps. When disabled, you can still access controller center from the home screen, right? So here in the section you can see included controls and more controls that we can add. So if you want to change it, if you want to customize it, we can simply tap on at this minus icon here in the red box. That will remove that particular control for us in our control panel. And if you want to add some, we can tap on this any of it, and we can simply go ahead, tap on this plus, and we will have the accessibility control shortcut or just over here, and we can simply find it. So even a single thing can customize and change our control panel, and if you don't need it, we can tap on at this icon and now it's removed. So that is how you can simply customize it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in our next video.